Alright, working on the 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger. Oh, there you can see it. I got that in tonight. The last super hard to get bolt on, or nut on the bolt in there. So I got the AC and the heater core in place. And then I found a vacuum leak way back here, and I got a plug in it now. I think that would keep your engine wouldn't run good, and your transmission probably wouldn't shift either from the location of that. And then I did get some cleaning done on the carburetor tonight and the top of the intake. So looks a lot better than it did. A lot better. Got that put on. Basically just got a lot of cleaning done tonight, although it's got more to go. But it really took quite a bit of time. I actually was digging the junk off the top of the intake with a screwdriver. And then I blew it off with air. And then I cleaned up the carburetor. I used up an entire can of carbon choke cleaner on it, or what was left of a big one anyway. And scrubbed it with the toothbrush. And then wiped it down with a rag after that. So, yeah. It was pretty gunked up. So actually may not look like I made it a lot farther, although it certainly is a lot cleaner than it was. It's not quite a fire hazard anymore. And that really hard, difficult to get to nut that I put on that bolt, I had to run the bolt through the firewall first over here. Back over in there, way back in the corner there, and then run the nut onto that to get that done. So, wow. Yeah, just the hard to finish details are what I got done. It was extremely difficult reaching that one nut and bolt. It threads through the firewall there, and then you can put the nut on it, which it is tight. So that's good. So the project's coming along. I really need to get the heater hose now. We're going to put new heater hose on it, and then I'll clean up the air cleaner, and I could use a new air filter. It looks like I might have one of them around. I don't know, I'll have to look. It certainly would look better than that one. It's about black. So, wow. Truck's got a long ways to go, but it could really be sharp, and it's the 351 Cleveland. So it's got a lot of power. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.